Now, before starting this course, let's understand what is a BI tool or business intelligence tool. So basically, a business intelligence tool is a software that helps the organization collect, analyze, and visualize data so that they can make better decisions. So basically, instead of looking at the raw data sets, BI tool allows you to connect the data with multiple sources, clean and prepare the data, build dashboards or any kind of charts, discover any kind of patterns, and share those insights across the teams. So in short, the BI tool is helpful to convert any kind of raw data into beautiful interactive dashboards or data visualization. So not only Tableau, there are many data visualization tools in the market like Power BI, Qlik, Looker, Zoho Analytics, SAP BI, and even you can do any kind of data visualization using Power Query, Power BI, and Excel with Microsoft products. And even you can use the Microsoft Power BI tool to do the data visualization. And that brings us to the next question, why we are using Tableau and what is the benefit of Tableau over Power BI. So basically both Tableau and Power BI are excellent BI tools, but the Tableau has certain strengths that make it better than Power BI. Basically, when it comes to data visualization, Tableau is known for the data visualization gold standard because it allows a lot of flexibility. You can build any kind of customized, interactive, beautiful dashboards. So although Power BI visuals are still improving, but Tableau still provides more flexibility and creativity when it comes to charts. We have many more options in Tableau. The second benefit is it can handle large data. So Tableau can handle very large data sets more effectively than Power BI. Power BI still slows down when working with very complex and very large data sets. So that's the benefit of using a Tableau over Power BI. And the third benefit is very important, and that is the ease of use. So although Power BI is also very easy to use, but for non-technical users, Tableau has very intuitive drag and drop interface for building dashboards. So although Power BI is also very good, it's slightly more technical, especially if you are using any kind of DAX formulas for complex analysis. So this is the problem with Power BI, that any non-tech users who don't know these formulas cannot get the full benefit of Power BI. The fourth benefit of cross-platform and integration. So basically Tableau connects with a wide range of data sources, including the big data platforms and cloud databases, whereas Power BI is best to interact with Microsoft products like Excel, Azure, SQL Server, and so on. So again, when dealing with the big data sets or big data sets application that's supported, Tableau best connects with them. And that brings us to the fifth point, which is the storytelling features. Tableau has built-in story points that let you present the data in a narrative sequence, where the Power BI doesn't have equivalent storytelling mode. So basically, when we talk about the cost effectiveness, better Microsoft accessibility, and for quicker reporting, Power BI wins. But when we talk about all the flexibility dealing with large data sets, speed, and any kind of non-tech drag and drop functionality, Tableau works best. So that's an overall comparison of Tableau and its features with Power BI. Just note all the important points and then we will start with installing the Tableau software.